My name is Candace Klaus, and this is my informative speech. Today I'm going to tell you a little story about Sue. Sue is a 21-year-old college student who gets up, goes to class every day, exercises on a regular basis, and considers herself to be a healthy person. One day, Sue has lunch with her parents, and her parents tell her about life insurance and tell her that they think it would be a wise decision for her to get some. Sue goes to her local insurance agent, discusses life insurance with her, and decides that she's ready to start a policy. They fill the application out, they submit all of the medical information that is needed, and they submit everything into the company to get the policy issued. The policy comes back with an issue on it, and Sue finds out that she has precancerous cells on her uterus. Sue's not as healthy as she thought she was. Do you think that you're a healthy person? Do you think after hearing this story that maybe you might second guess whether you're really a healthy person? I'm going to tell you why insurance is important to buy at a young, healthy age. There are many reasons why you would want to get it while you're young. One reason would be for future illnesses and diseases. Illnesses can happen at any time, but if you get insurance started while you're young and then you get an illness after you've had your life insurance issued, you're still covered and everything will be okay. Accidents would be another reason to have life insurance. You hope that you're never going to be involved in a serious accident, but they happen every day, and that's why they're called accidents. You just don't know what's going to happen or when. AIDS would be another reason you would want to look into getting life insurance. AIDS can happen to anyone. It is very prevalent nowadays, and you don't know if you have it. So it's another reason that you would want to look into life insurance. Diabetes can happen to anyone at any time. It can happen to children or adults, both. So even life insurance on children is a good idea because you never know what's going to happen to them as they grow older. Mental disorders can also make insurance premiums different. Different mental disorders can either make you completely ineligible from getting life insurance or just make it more expensive. If you have your life insurance before any of these things happen, again, you're covered and you don't have to worry about it. You've got that peace of mind that you've already got your life insurance regardless of what happens to you later on in life. When you're young and healthy, that is the best time to get it. The younger you are, the cheaper it's going to be. The older you get, the more expensive it's going to be. Also, as you get older, you tend to generate more health risks. High cholesterol, high blood pressure, heart disease, multiple different things that could happen as you get older. I'm going to show you a life illustration from Nationwide Insurance that's going to show you the different premiums from a 20-year-old female and a 55-year-old female. This was priced out with both of them being non-tobacco users. And this is on a $125,000 life insurance policy. The 20-year-old female's monthly premium, this is what she would pay every month to have a $125,000 policy, is $28.15. Now, if you fast forward a few years and bump her up to the age of 55, you will see that the premium will jump from the $28 to $139.17 a month. So just because of her age, she will have to pay over $100 more a month to have the exact same type of life insurance policy. So as you can see, the younger you are and you can get it when you're younger, the better off that you're going to be long term. You want to also get life insurance. You don't want to get any of these illnesses or diseases, but if you do, you're covered. But you also want to plan for your future hopes, wishes, and dreams. If you have a daughter and you want to provide an elegant wedding for her, you can use your life insurance for that. Lisa Davis is a mortgage originator for Main Source Bank, and she had told me that a lot of the banks will issue something that is called credit life insurance. Credit life insurance is usually used to help protect your mortgage. That way, if you or your spouse or whoever has the loan on the home can pay off the mortgage if one of them passes away before the mortgage is paid for. The planning for your future can be done in multiple different ways, but again, it's something that you will want to use. Planning for your future can also include planning for your death. Everyone knows there's only two things in life that's guaranteed: taxes and death. So why not go ahead and plan for your death and make that easier on your family when the time comes that you do pass away? According to Roselle Funeral Home in Anderson, Indiana, and according to Mr. Johnson, An average funeral cost nowadays, which is your casket expenses, your burial expenses, the plot, it's going to run you anywhere from $10,000 to $12,000. If you had a life insurance policy in place, your family wouldn't have to worry about coming up with that money. They could just turn in the claim for the life insurance and use that to help pay for your funeral expenses and give you a final goodbye. So in review, after talking about all of this, another main reason, and a lot of reasons mainly, that you would want to get life insurance, you've got your illnesses that you want to try to protect yourself from, so that if you do receive any of those illnesses, you're going to be automatically covered with your prior policy. The younger you are, the cheaper it is, and we've got that proof here from these life illustrations. Also, you want to plan ahead. You plan for your weekend, you plan to go out with friends, why not plan your life? Also, be prepared for the unexpected. You never know what's going to happen or when it's going to happen. So if you've got your life insurance, you will be prepared. Thank you all for joining me today.